Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm here with this beautiful leaf. Oh my god, there is no need to explain the beauty of this leaf. You can see. Okay, I'm making these leaves as a patch. Okay, I will paste these leaves on my cushion cover. So okay, let's start our video. For this leaf, I am taking little thick wool. This is 4-ply wool, and with this I am using 3.0 mm crochet hook. Okay, this crochet hook, this will help to make very easily this leaf. But if you have this crochet hook, there is no problem, but this is the best crochet hook for this leaf. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we will start to make a slip knot. Okay, or you can start like this also, like this. Okay, we'll make 6 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After 6 chains, in very first chain make a slip stitch like this. Okay, we have a ring now. Now make 3 chains. 1 2 and 3. Okay, after 3 chains, please look at very carefully. In the back side, you will see this chain, this one. Okay, see, in back side we have this chain, this yarn. Okay, and in the back side we'll make single crochet like this, and the second and the third one we will make in the where we joined this circle, like this. Okay, now 1 2 and 3. Okay, we had 3 chains here. Now in the back side you will see the first this one, like this. Take this on your crochet hook, the second one and the third one, and the fourth one will be in this ring, like this. So now in second round we have 5 loops. Okay, now take 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now in third round again this stitch you can never miss. 1 2 3 4 and 5th into this ring, like this. Now this time we have 6 loops. Okay, in every round we are increasing 1 chain Now make single crochets, one like this, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and this time 5 times. In first round we had 3 chains, in second we had 4, and in third round we had 5. Okay, now we will repeat the same rounds in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, which we are increasing into this ring like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, we will make total 13 rounds. We have completed 1, 2, 3, and 4, and every round we are increasing 1 chain. Okay, so we will start from the first stitch. This is little hard to make single crochet into this stitch. 1. That's why I said that you have to make this sleeve with loose hand. See, if you have any query about this leaf or pattern, so you can comment me, and definitely I'll reply of that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. We will make total 13 rounds like this. Okay, I have completed my 12 rounds, and I'm showing you my last and 13th round, and I will also tell you about the chains, how many chains I have in 13th round. So first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last into this ring 15. So we have 15 chains in last 13th round. We'll complete this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and in last 1 chain, and we have completed the sleeve here. Okay, let me show you the back side. Okay, I told you that I'm making these leaves for my cushion cover that I'll paste, and in next part definitely I'll tell you about how I'm pasting these leaves on my cushion cover. Okay, so if you also want to paste anywhere, so there is no need to hide this extra wool. Otherwise, if you want to hide this wool, then you can take help of yarn needle. Okay, Okay, let me tell you a very useful tip. If you want to use this needle, then take this yarn in your left hand and hold with thumb and finger and press them, and take this needle in your right hand and put the needle into yarn. Don't put the yarn into the needle. Try this, you'll love this. Okay, so you can hide like this. Okay, I don't want to hide this yarn because I will use this in stitching or in pasting these leaves on the cushion cover, so I am letting this yarn like this. Okay, I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more exciting new patterns, for more videos, and share with your friends and family. Thank you, keep watching.